Today we tour a 2018 Lagoon 42, available for immediate delivery from Auckland, New Zealand, having sailed from Europe where the boat was winterised in a temperature-controlled shed ashore, then sailing to New Zealand where it recently arrived. Let's take a look. The present owner of this boat has made many upgrades and taken excellent care of the boat with a regular maintenance and servicing program. For the first 3 years, the boat was winterised for 7 months each year in a temperature-controlled shed ashore in Finland, keeping it in pristine condition. This Lagoon 42 is the owner's version. The starboard hull is a complete luxury suite with a large bedroom area and king bed, sofa, desk, bookshelf and vanity, whilst combining a large separate shower and head. The port hull offers a more standard 2-cabin, 2-head arrangement with a king-size bed in the aft cabin and ensuite, while there's a queen-size bed in the forward cabin with ensuite. The cockpit features an L-shaped lounge and table and flows into a spacious saloon and galley that features a gas oven and microwave, air fryer, ice maker and vacuum packer amongst other appliances. There is a diesel heater that supplies both the saloon and cabins, along with two 16,000 BTU Frigomar air conditioning systems that also supply the saloon and cabins, along with an inverter washer dryer. Powered by twin 57 horsepower Yanmar diesel sail drives with double Raycor filters and 3-bladed folding props with rope cutters, the boat was fitted out for extended off-the-grid passage making. It has a comprehensive electronics package with 1200 amp hours of lithium batteries, 2.7 kilowatts of solar, 2 master volt inverters, 240 and 120 volt shore power, and a Belmar 170 amp booster alternator. There is a comprehensive B&G electronics package, including twin fully independent autopilots, forward sonar, AIS and radar, wind, 2 Zeus 3 plotters, and navionics charts for Europe, Africa, the Caribbean, South Pacific, and New Zealand and Australia, plus an Iridium Go sat phone. The sail wardrobe features an Incidence Dacron square top mainsail, self-tacking jib, code 0, and 156 square metre parasailer spinnaker. There is an electric Harken winch accompanied by 3 manual Harken winches. Safety gear includes a high-field 340 rib with Honda 20 horsepower outboard, inflatable life jackets, 8-person life raft, Jordan Series drogue, carbon gangplank and more. For a full inventory on this comfortable cruiser, click here. For more videos on pre-owned boats, click here.